That's it, and now we put the whole thing back into the pan. And this, oops. Hello and welcome back to Steph le Chef. Today au menu, œuf à la neige. I made that recipe previously on my channel. If you want to see it, please click here. But with Easter approaching, I will add a chocolate twist to it. So let's do this. Ingredient for this recipe: we need some fresh milk, some castor sugar, some free-range eggs, some dark chocolate, and some pistachio. And to finish, a little pinch of salt. So let's make it. Okay, so on the stove we're gonna put the milk to boil. To that I'm gonna add the chocolate into small pieces. We're gonna melt the chocolate into the milk basically. So chocolate into the milk. We're gonna separate the egg yolk from the white, and we're gonna keep the white. And we're going to add the egg yolk to the sugar. There we go, we're going to make our crème anglaise. We keep the white to make the meringue. Now what we're going to do is whisk the sugar and the egg yolk together. There you go. Bring the milk to the boil. That's it. Our milk is boiling, but I'm just helping dissolving the chocolate into the liquid. Okay. That's boiling. Now, next thing we do is bring a little bit of the mixture to the egg and sugar. That's it. And we just whisk it together. That's it, a bit more. That's it, and now we put the whole thing back into the pan. And this, oops. Right, little incident here. Never mind, carry on. The show must go on, as we say. The trick is, you know when it's ready, you don't want to boil it, otherwise it's going to curdle. So you do a line on the spoon, and if you got a nice line like this between the two parts, that means that's ready, and just pass it through the steam. That's it. Chocolate crème anglaise finished. Done. Now we're going to cool this down. So after a little change of clothes, after this incident, we carry on. As I said, the show must go on. I've got some milk in that pan here to bring to the boil, but we're going to do a meringue. So to do that, I've got the egg white that I separated earlier, goes into the mixer. There you go. We're gonna start it very slow. If this thing works, that's it. We're gonna start it halfway. A little bit more. A little pinch of salt. Maybe a bit more. There you go. Not there yet. And slowly add the sugar. There we go, our meringue is done. Next we're going to poach our œuf à la neige. I have a plaque with a cloth to reserve your poached meringue once they're cooked. Okay, that will take about a minute to 2 minutes on each side, so not long process. Once that's done, that goes in the fridge to cool down. Okay, there you go, that's boiling. So I'm reducing the heat. And we're gonna make our meringue. There you go, take 2 spoons, it's easier. First one goes in. We turn our meringue after a minute and a half. Okay, after 1 to 2 minutes, our meringue are ready. So you just rest them like so. You can poach in water if you like, add a little sugar, but milk is preferable. As for the pistachio, as you can see, I deshelled them, and what I did is I did a little caramel on the stove. Once the caramel was done, I mixed the pistachio into it, give it a couple of twirls, and then reserve on the plaque. And once that was done, I just made a little garnish as so. Okay. Right, let's dress this Easter dessert. So I've got chocolate crème anglaise goes on the bottom of the bowl. There you go. Poached meringue, 1 or 2, it's up to you. And I like to garnish it with a little, there you go, pistachio pounded caramel. Easy to do, œuf à la neige, sauce anglaise au chocolat for Easter. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, that'll be ace. And see you soon on Steph Chef. Thank you. Happy Easter, or as we say, Joyeuse Pâques in my country. If you enjoyed this video and want to check out my latest one, please click here. If you want to check all my videos, please click here. And if you don't want to miss any of my videos, please subscribe and click here. That'll be ace. See you soon on Steph Chef.